Yo, what's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. So today I deposited some funds on this account. So and I'm trading Euro AUD on it. Okay. So guys, I entered this trade and also I sent out signal on my channel here. Okay, so I sent out signal here also. So guys, my analysis. Here's my analysis. So I did my analysis on the 1 hours time frame. So here the market reacted to this level, it went up, it came back to the level, it went up again. So and it's back to the level now. And then we can see a very strong weak rejection that occurred down here. Okay, so we see this strong weak rejection. So after the weak rejection, so I entered my buy from here. Okay, and after I entered my buy, I sent out signal here also for them to buy, and I gave them three take profit and then my stop loss. Okay, so guys, currently we are approaching our take profit one right now. So guys, here's our take profit one, our take profit two, okay, and our take profit three is at this resistance level. Okay, so that's where I'm expecting the market to go, at that resistance level right there. Okay, so guys, let me take a screenshot and update them on the Telegram channel. Okay, so guys, I've updated them so that they can set their break even now. Okay, but for me, I want to flip this account. Okay, so I want to flip this account. So I'll be holding it. So I'll be holding it. Okay, so this is a $500 account. So I want to flip it. So I will be holding it. Okay. So and anyhow the market is going, so I'll keep updating them. Okay. So my $500 account running 1,150 right now. Okay. So I'm expecting it to go 2K plus. So that's my target on this account. Taking this $500 to over 2K. That's my target for today. Okay. So let's see how everything goes. Market is seriously going up right now. Okay. So let's see how it will go. So guys, my Euro AUD signal hit take profit one successfully now. Okay, so I want to update them here right now. Okay, so guys, our take profit one is hit successfully now. Okay, so s- let's set our BA now to hold for more TPs. Okay, so guys, our take profit one is hit now. So what we do now, we are setting our break even so that we can hold to get more profit. Okay. So guys, my account is now running 1,300 plus right now. Okay, so I'll be holding it to this take profit two right here. So by then, before the take profit two, my profit target will hit, and I'll close most of my positions and then set break even for more. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. So I'll hold this trade near this take profit two, and then I'll hit my profit target of $2,000 and close some of my position and set break even for more. So guys, our trade is now running 1,930 profit right now. After the take profit one was hit, the market dropped. Okay, it dropped near our entry. So and then it started rejecting from there. So I entered more position. Okay, and as it started going up, we see this strong move here. So I added more position, and here I added more position. So it went down a little bit and then it started skyrocketing. Okay, so it's skyrocketing it is going to our take profit two right now, facing our take profit two right now. Okay, so my target was to take this $500 to 2,000, but it is over 2,000 now because of the positions which I added. So I'm gonna close some of my positions now and set break even to hold some more position. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. So firstly, I'll close the positions which I start in. So guys, my $500 I've closed most of my position, and my balance is now $1,980. So my equity is now 2,240. Okay, so guys, firstly, I made sure that I've secured about $2,000 right now. So I'm gonna set break even on this three remaining position to hold for take profit two. Okay, so I will set break even somewhere here, 1.66500. So I'm holding this hand for take profit two and take profit three. So guys, I've set my break even now. So I'll be holding this position for take profit two here and take profit three. Okay, so I'll be monitoring my trades. Okay, so guys, if you want to join my free Telegram channel where I share 95% accurate forex signals daily, so you check on this video description. I'm gonna drop a link. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you want to become a profitable forex trader, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.